Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comments, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you're a new viewer, then go to my channel and watch all these videos. And if you're liking these videos, then you can go ahead the subscribe button to be a part of the Smart Trader family. For the ones who wants additional services, only for the ones who wants additional services, you can WhatsApp our customer care team 7892652481, or else smarttrader.co is our website. For the ones who wants to open an account through us, you can click the link in given below description, and you can open an account in Zerodha or Upstock. You can open your demat account. So if you open your demat account through Smart Trader, then you will be added to my Telegram channel where you will have lifetime learning and bonding for free. So by saying that, let's start off with today's video. And if you have not yet watched our yesterday's video, please watch this intraday trick Renko super trend and MACD combo. So see that and try to do live observation and paper trading in the market hours. So hope you have not missed that. So today we are going to discuss about the beta of a stock. So a lot of people have this question, what is this beta of the stock and why I check this beta of the stock. So I decided I will explain you what is beta of a stock and the logic behind it, the theory and the practical part, so that when we know more about a concept in trading, that will help you in trading. I mean, the logic, the more logic you know, you can apply it on your rules or based on your trading experiences or trading situations, you can apply this logic. So understanding the logic is very much important in trading. So let's break down each and every topic, and I will try to explain like the way I'm explaining you the indicators and charts and all those. Same way I will explain you all the jargons used in trading, which will definitely help intraday trading or your positional short term or long term, whatever it is. So beta of a stock. So let me go with the theory. So theory as per Google, it says beta is a measure of a stock's volatility in relation to the market. So by definition, the market has a beta 1 and the individual stocks are ranked according to how much they deviate from the market. So this definition clearly says that if how much the stock deviates from the market. For example, if market is 1, how much will the stock, any particular stock, deviate from that level, whether it goes up or it goes down. I mean, can it cope up so much, or it goes more than that or less than that, is what they are trying to find the relation. So I have created one example so that you will understand in a better way. So example, for example, you see any stock like Hindalco or Vedanta, Reliance, whichever stock, they will have a beta. So every stock will have a beta attached to it. So this is the beta. For example, if beta says 1.3 for whatever stock, that means the market moves 1%, then the stock moves 1.3%. So that is called the beta of that particular stock. Second example is if beta is 0.8 means market moves 1%, but the stock moves only 0.8%. So these are two different examples I just wanted you to understand. Okay, so one thing you understand, this is theoretically, this theory in terms of theory, this is what it is, but practically if I tell you, if the stock is what is that, stock is moving 1.3, I mean beta is 1.3, and if market moves 1%, the stock can move even 2%, 3%, 4% also. Doesn't mean if the stock market moves 1%, the stock will move only 1.3% or pakka 1.3%. Stock can move 4% up, or else it can move 0.5% also. But keeping an average, till now the stock's average is 1.3%. Overall, the stock outperforms the market move. It moves more than the market. So this is the average of the stock. Same way with this. Doesn't mean just 0.8% the stock will not move. But the stock can move more than 1%. But the stock can go lesser than 0.8%. But on an average till date, the stock has not outperformed or has not moved more than the market when there is a market move. Okay, so that this is something which you have to understand practically, because in theory I can easily say 1%, 1.3 means 1% is nothing but 1.3, but few people will blindly believe. So the logic is, practically if I speak, that is not the logic, this is an average. So keeping this average, people can choose their stocks. For example, if you want to do intraday trading, for intraday traders, this particular stock will be really good because the volatility is higher in this stock. If market is trending, if market is going upwards or let it go downwards, they are getting more percentage, like 1.3%, 2%, 3% movement is there in the stock. If market is falling, they are having 1%, 2%, 3% movement in their stock, and they're making that profit. So high returns is there in terms of beta. If beta is more than 1% or more than 1, then definitely. But same way, when beta is 0.8, there are traders who don't want risk. They want, less return, less risk. They want stable stocks. For example, you're taking stocks for short term or positional trading or long term trading. You don't want stocks which will fall 10% if market just moves 1 or 2% down. the stock falls 10%. So you don't want such stocks. So during that time, what traders do is they choose stocks which are having beta of lower value. So these stocks are a little bit stable compared to the stocks which are higher than 1 beta. Okay, so these stocks, then the market goes up, it goes up like anything. When market comes down, it comes down like anything. So volatility is very higher, but these stocks volatility compared to the market, it's lesser. So if market comes down also, these stocks will move only little lesser. So if market falls also, these stocks will fall little bit less compared to these stocks which falls double than this. So it's two different options. It depends on the traders, the type of traders. Day traders will definitely go with stocks with these type of beta, because that is when they will get their moment. During the trending market, this is when they can make more profit, maximum profit with maximum risk. But positional traders or long-term traders will definitely go with beta 0.8%, because they want stable stocks which is not having higher risk. When there is a small market news, some small bad news, the stock should not fall more. And when the bad news is there in the market, the stock should not fall more compared to the market. So these are those particular type of stocks. So I have a chart of list of beta of the stock. So I have sorted this out with the highest to lowest. So if you see, this is the beta of the stock and these are the names of the stock. I have taken only the Nifty 50 index because those are the ones which most of us safely trade upon. Okay, we trust upon and we trade upon most of the time. So I just took out this list. I will show you how to take out this list also. There are many ways how to find the beta of a stock, but this is the easiest and common known way how to take out the list of beta of stocks. So people who wants to trade with high beta stocks, these are the stocks. For example, these are the top 10 beta stocks. So like that you can measure, like India Housing Finance, Adani Ports, BBCL, Bajaj Finance, Hindalco, so like those. But when you're choosing for long term and you want to know the beta is lesser and you want stable stocks, then these stocks, if you see if market moves 1%, the stock can move only 0.2%, 0.42, 0.46. So Intraday, TCS, Wipro, these are more stable stock compared to the market. So that is how people choose their beta. So this is the main logic used in the beta. And how do you download this? Just go to your browser and just type the stock beta report NSE India. So when you type stock beta report NSE India, you will get monthly reports. Click on that. In monthly reports, you have something called market capitalization weightage beta Nifty 50, not Nifty next 50, Nifty 50. So when you click that, it will download. One click download, and it will open in an Excel sheet, and you will get the list of stocks, and you can decide which are the stocks which you want. Or for example, you're looking into, for example, you're trading in any particular stock, and if a broker is not showing the beta in the same stock, for example, in Kite, I have in my mobile app, I can see the beta of the stock. Or if your broker is not showing the beta of a stock, so you can have this list, and immediately when you say, for example, I'm going to trade in Reliance. Okay, what's the beta of Reliance? Okay, Reliance is 1.3. okay, it's good, it is having a good beta, so I'm taking it for a intraday trade. So based on these factors, people choose their stocks. This is how beta has been used. I hope this logic helped you guys. I mean, this is a very simple logic. So a lot of people do not understand what is beta, but beta does a magic to people. So it also depends how you pick a stock with higher beta and lower beta. And hope you liked this video, and hope you understood this concept. If you are not understood properly, then watch the video again and again, and also share this video to all your friends, so that a lot of beginners who don't know these concepts, this will definitely help in your intraday trading. So please do share this video with all your friends in your groups or colleagues, whoever they are. So share this with them, and please do subscribe to this channel if you're not yet subscribed, because we keep learning a lot of new things on a daily basis. See you soon in my next video. Hit that like button. Till then, take care. Bye bye.